BAYKAL introduces the next generation O-Frame press brake series. A game changer in sheet metal bending, delivering maximum precision, massive power, and unstoppable performance. Extreme rigidity, zero compromise. The fully enclosed O-Frame works as one solid body, minimizing deflection and delivering repeatable accuracy even at high tonnage and long working lengths. Perfectly balanced force. Perfect bends. Hydraulic cylinders positioned directly on the bending axis apply vertical, evenly distributed force, ensuring consistent angles from end to end every time. Bend bigger. Bend deeper. Bend smarter. No open side limitations. Unlock deeper, more complex forming and handle larger components with ease. Built for heavy-duty production. Superior stability against cyclic stress means longer service life, less maintenance, and reliable peak performance shift after shift. Automation and Industry 4.0 ready. A rock-solid platform for servo back gauges, automatic crowning, adaptive bending, and full connectivity. Engineered for smart manufacturing and seamless automation. BAYKAL O-Frame isn't just a press brake. It's a profit-driving production powerhouse engineered for precision and productivity. BAYKAL. Think big, we do.